Hi, I'm Eric Jameson. I'm the Service Manager at Automated Sales and Equipment in Painted Post, New York. Today I'm going to show you how to take an all-above file backup on a USB stick with FANUC R-30iB and R-30iB Plus controls. So there's actually a couple different ways that we can go about this. We can insert our USB stick into the teach pendant here. This is referred to as the UT1. But today we're actually going to demonstrate this by taking it into the controller door. This is known as the UD1. I'm going to go ahead and stick the USB stick right into the slot. So after we insert the USB stick into the controller door, we're going to come over to the teach pendant. This will not matter if it is on or off, since we can take a backup while production is running. First, I'm going to press the menu button, and then I'm going to scroll down to where it says 7 File. And on the expanded menu, I'm going to select File from there and press Enter. This brings us to our file screen, and you see that it says the UD1 at the top, and that happens to be where we are taking our backup today. If this did not say UD1, we would want to go to Utilities on the soft key menu and press F5. From there, I'm going to select my device. This is where these are the areas where we're able to take a backup to. Note that at the bottom here it says the USB on the TP, so if I wanted to take a backup on a teach pendant where I showed you earlier, that would be how you would do that. I'm going to select UD1 and press Enter. After we're sure that we have the right device selected, I'm going to go ahead and press F5 for Utilities again and create a directory. Think of creating a directory as kind of like making a file folder on your USB stick. I press Enter. I like to name this the F number, so I'm going to select uppercase F and then enter the robot's F number. This helps me keep it organized. After I enter the number or the directory name, I'm going to go ahead and press Enter, and you'll see it populate at the top of the screen here. Once that's populated at the top of the screen, I'm going to go ahead and press F4 for backup and scroll down to all of above, which is option 8. By capturing an all above backup, we're going to gather our system files, teach pendant programs, application files, application teach pendant files, error logs, diagnostics, vision data, and all of that stuff at once. So I'm going to go ahead and select all above. And it's going to ask me if I want to delete the UD1, my directory name, and back up all files. This is the reason why it's important to take or make a directory that enables us to take multiple backups on one USB stick. I'm going to tell this yes, so I'm going to press F4. And now you should see this cycle through what files that it's backing up. Once this is completed, it's going to give us a prompt and tell us how many files it backed up, and then it's going to say press a DI to generate a directory. It's good practice to highlight where it says up level 1 and press Enter to take you back out to the root directory. That way the next person will have no issues taking their backup. Once you're there, you can press Menu Enter to go to a nice safe screen, and you're all set. Thank you for joining us today at Automated Sales and Equipment. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.